Do you want to learn how to sign up for Lazada affiliate program and make money with it? Now I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for the Lazada program. So let's go into my screen and I'll walk you through step by step. First, go to lazada.com, lazada.com. So now once you get in, you're in Malaysia, it will usually takes you to the local site lazada.com.my. Now what I want you to do once you're in the first screen, the home screen of Lazada, so I want you to scroll it down. Yeah, scroll down the screen to the bottom part. These small little words, usually it's related, it's close to about Lazada. Now once you find this called affiliate program, AFFILIATE. Let me zoom in and show you here. This is the Lazada program that we're looking for. So click on that. Then it will take you to the Lazada affiliate program website. So join the largest affiliate program in Southeast Asia and start making profits. So this is where you can sign up. See this sign up button here. Now let's quickly walk through, and so it will explain to you what is Lazada affiliate program, an extra income by partnering with Southeast Asia's biggest online shopping mall. And according to here, it is highest commission in the industry. I know what you want to know is how much can I earn, right? Go to commission here. There's a commission tab here. Click on this commission. Then it will tell you how do I earn profits. So if you're selling digital goods or you're recommending digital goods, you earn 8.5%, electronics 2.5%, fashion is 14%, yeah, and supermarket 7%. Now it is like you are your own Tesco or Giant, so you can sell supermarket products and you earn 7%. How good is that, right? Okay. Then health and beauty, you earn 10% by just recommending. You do not need to carry stock, you do not need to do fulfillment, shipment, and so on. So do you like it? If you like it, please leave a comment. Here it tells you how do I earn profits, blah blah blah. It tells you all these things. Yeah, so go and read about it. Then you know more details, how does it work. Click on the how does it work tabs, and then it will take you to the page and tell you on the browser scheme, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how does it, the flow, using the apps, what is the flow, and I want to show you here, longest sales attribution. Let me zoom in, shows you, yeah. So it tells you that even the customer doesn't purchase after clicking on your ads or your recommendation or your post that you post in social media, you will still earn a commission if they make a purchase within 30 days. So how good is that? So even though they don't click and buy, they click and they don't buy immediately, you can have 30 days. If they really come back and buy, Lazada will still pay you. Wow, this is a really good program. Of course, you want to understand what are the rules and regulations, how do you do advertising, how do you use the deep link generator? Deep link generator, or sometimes people call affiliate links, means that you will create your own links so that people click on it, they know it is recommended by you, and then Lazada will know how to pay you. So they have videos here, will teach you step by step how to do that. All these are the so-called marketing tools, and it's already prepared for you. All you need is just click on the videos and then you will learn how to use that. And one thing that here, they will even give you like support and learning, teach you 6 keys to be best affiliates and all the FAQ questions. Now of course you want to also know about their terms and conditions, so read some of it and don't go against their rules. Okay? So if you go against the rules, they will kick you out from the program. So try to abide with their rules, and then you can start earn money by just recommending Lazada product. You don't even have to carry your own products. You don't have to take up money. and you don't have to do shipment. I hope you like these videos, and if you really like this, I want you to share to your friends who may need this. Now, one more thing, I'm going to show you another website. Besides Lazada in Malaysia, I found another website also have a so-called affiliate program. There are others e-commerce platform like Shopee, 11th Street, I think they changed the name to Prestamore or something like that, but they do not have affiliate program. Then I go and find there's another big shopping mall or e-commerce mall, okay, Zalora. I believe you guys heard about it. It's more on fashion goods, right? So they have branded goods and all. So Zalora, click on here, just search Zalora, Z-A-L-O-R-A, and then zalora.com.my. So you follow the same procedures. Scroll down, find the small little words, especially where usually put close to about. Okay, about us, Zalora, blah 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 blah. Come down here. Okay, see this? Affiliate program. Now they even have influencer program. If you are Instagram or you're influencer, you have a lot of fans, you can actually join the influencer program. So click on the affiliate program, then it takes you to the affiliate page. So this is Zalora affiliate program, and they pay you 6% commission for new customers and 4% returning customers. Even their own customers that buy from Zalora before, they're still paying you 4% of it. How does it work? So you can see all the steps here. Same thing, campaign banner, materials, how do you do marketing, and so on. So what you do is just click apply now. So basically, there is this program that you do not need money to start your online business. All you need is to become an affiliate and then share the good products that you think your friends, your neighbors, or whoever your friends on your social media page will need it. Do not spam, okay? Share smartly, and then people click on it, they go and buy, and you get commission out of that. This is my sharing for today about affiliate marketing using the local e-commerce platform. Now, if you're from other countries, find your largest or the big e-commerce platform. I believe they will also have this affiliate program, so you can do the same method. If you like this video, again, I would like you to subscribe, and then every week we will share e-commerce business tips to help you start off and grow your e-commerce. Now, if you have any question on the e-commerce, by all means, leave a comment so that I can create more videos in related of e-commerce to help you grow your business.